Yeah, and
Yeah,
you will
yeah.
start
Okay.
presenting. Hello,
Hello.
everybody.
Hello. Hello. First, let's start with you. I'd like to introduce you first. Uh, I think we can start with the actually the names. I'm sorry for mispronunciation. Dirk Ifenthaler is a professor and chair of learning, design and technology at University of Mannheim, Germany, and UNESCO deputy chair of data science in higher education, learning and teaching at Curtin University, Australia. We are going to listen to the speech with the title The Adoption of Intelligent and Virtual Teams in Online Entrepreneurship Education Courses. Yes, the floor is yours.
Okay, thank you. I think I need to find the screenshot button.
The presentation is already online, and you can use the buttons below the slides to move the slides forward.
Now you should see the please let me if is everything okay.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, then, yeah, today the host already introduced us. Yes, and today our topic is adoption of intelligent and virtual teams in online entrepreneurship education courses. Yeah, we will use 6 sections to introduce it. The section 1, background. So the state of entrepreneurship education in the worldwide. Like in United States, entrepreneurship education has a long time and also well established. And as the entrepreneurship education is a lifelong learning aims in all levels of education, and also in European published Entrepreneurship 2020 Action Plan, and also the framework of entrepreneurship competence. United Kingdom gave a guidance for the higher education providers to facilitate entrepreneurs and entrepreneurship education. And Australia and Malaysia and China, all of them have gave their rules or actions to facilitate entrepreneurship education. And online entrepreneurship education, one is massive open online courses like MOOCs platforms. They provide a self-paced learning, and also the live stream courses. And although the online courses, they are remote, but they still need experiential approaches, real world immersion, and learn by doing like that. And then there are team learning in entrepreneurship education. Then has been widely developed and also provided the interactive learning environment that students can learn by doing. And the technology applied in entrepreneurship education, we reviewed and found serious games, learning systems, digitalization, and artificial intelligence tools. These have been applied it, and artificial intelligence is still developing. Online learning designers, they seldom use the watch teams to facilitate the collaborative competence, but they apply and they adopt team elements in the online learning environment. So we got this research topic, the adoption of intelligent and virtual teams in online entrepreneurship education courses. Then section 2 about theoretical basis. So first, the definition of entrepreneurship education. We use the easily understandable one, applying making entrepreneur ideas or opportunities into action. And from the aims aspect, we got this one: learners acquire competence of start a business, career development, or have a valuable life. Having a valuable life, and the framework we got from the three papers from those scholars. Then the middle one is the team precise, and these 3 elements: communication, teamwork, task work. Then the team performance, here we define a specific or certain competence, entrepreneurship competence. So this team learning is facilitated by the intelligent and virtual technologies. Yeah, so here is the detail about the four ends, like communication helps students to understand, distribute ideas, or they can exchange their ideas to complete team tasks. So this kind of competence also one content of leadership competence. Teamwork, here we want to classify from our task work. We focus here on teammates, collaboration, interaction, strengths, and weakness. We can use like the coordination to instead of it. And the task work means the task activities and devices to complete a certain task. We can use the cooperation to understand it. And the intelligent and virtual team, here we use the synchronous and synchronous method and also artificial intelligence to help to facilitate the learning. And the next section 3 is about the research questions based on the research topic. We got for question 1, learning so intelligent and virtual teams, how is team communication in both online English and Chinese online entrepreneurship education courses? And question 2, how is the teamwork or team relationship in the both two kinds of courses? Question 3, when attending online entrepreneurship courses, what kinds of team tasks have remote instructors applied in virtual team learning? Question 4, what kinds of technology have they applied it? Then the section 4 about the research method, we collect the data based on 4 criteria. 1, free, without to pay or pay less money, and open students just they want it, they can attend the courses as they want. And then 3, relatively high course enrollment and discussion for applying more team elements. So then we analyze the data, we compile and rank it the degree of the communication and teamwork, like strong, medium, and weak. And according to the collected tasks and technology, we want to analyze the task and technology they applied it in detail. So the section 5, results and discussion. The table is the names of the 10 collected courses. And we got 2 from Coursera, 2 from ADX, and 2 Chinese platforms, MOOCs platforms. We got 4 courses, and 1 living course from a company, 1 from a university for undergraduates. And the degree of the course, 77% is for beginner and 23% is for mixer. And the median enrollment of English course is about 35,000, and the Chinese about 9,000. And the 2 living courses, the enrollment is 34 attendance, and the meaning of the length is 9 weeks. The length of the hour per work is from 4 to 6 hours. So this is the table 2, the detail about the 10 courses. So, but we will talk in detail from the virtual team elements aspects. And firstly, the team communication. Then here is the course 1, course 2, and course 5. The designers provide peer assignments so students can communicate or discuss about the assignments with the peers directly. And the course 3, 6, and 8, the students, they can post and they can discuss about the topics related to the course on in the forum directly. And the course 4, 7, 8, 9, and 10, the designers give social media for the students, for our learners. But the learners, they group, the course 4, only 851, but the enrollment is about almost 14,000. So here, MOOCs provided the opportunities for the students to discuss and communicate. So there are forums and social media. So this kind of ways can help students stay longer and acquire competence in solving a problem. But Okay, wait. So this slide a little different from the latest one. Yeah, so the team communication here, but the online course designers are really pay special attention to the team communication. One, because the limitation of the online learning, most of the designers just focus on the basic entrepreneurship knowledge, and both the motivation and the effectiveness of online communication are lower than the educators' expectation. Then secondly, task work. So the task work in course 1 to 5.
5 minutes left.
Oh, okay, thank you for reminding. So this for courses, they are medium because they. Okay, I need to talk about the firstly step by step. So the two courses they provide. Because they are living stream courses, so they like the course line they provide synchronous like social media where students can discuss, and also they can talk about the tasks on the course directly, and the course line the students can students need to submit a business plan in the end of the semester. And so this the task. So this is about the task, the two courses, and the other courses they also provide like a peer assignments. Also, they put the tasks as the final score part. So and but the teamwork is also based on the task work. So we also can get the relationship between the among them. The course 9 and 10 they are strong, and the 1, 2, 5 and 7, 8 they are medium. 3 and 6 they are weak. Yeah. So and then about the technologies or intelligent watch team in the in the courses, they use except the social media, they also use like the course 8 they use mini software, and they can inside by social media directly, and the chatbot on Xuetang X platform. So the technology applied in the entrepreneurship education courses, they provide this. They can help students learn with lower costs, and it also can help the online learning to the online learners to get the collaborative competence. Yeah. So the section 6 is a conclusion and a limitation. So this one from this we got even the online courses they are not provided watch team directly, but usually they will provide team elements during the learning process, and also this kind of competence is one kind of vital or critical competence for the potential enterprise. So, but from this research, the limitation we have two. One is because the two living courses they are still in progress. We just research the first 3 weeks. We need to continue to trust their study and learning. And the other one is because this one we didn't compile with the Chinese one and English courses in detail. Yeah. So this all about my presentation. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you for this informative presentation. Any questions that you'd like to ask? Any questions you'd like to ask? Or contributions?
Yeah.
Okay, then maybe I can make a comment and ask for a solution. It's not the